Before we can start creating content for our websites, we need to create some categories to store that content in. To do this, go to the Content menu and select the Category Manager. Here we can see that Joomla comes by default with one category already created, and it's called Uncategorized. We're going to go and create some new categories specifically for this website. To do this, click on the New button. With this simple form, we can create the categories for our website. If your screen does not look exactly like this one, then that's because you haven't installed the JCE editor as described in the previous lesson. To create the category, simply give it a title. We're going to create one called About, so type in the word About. The alias field is used by Joomla to create the URLs. It does this automatically when we press save, so we don't need to enter anything here. And the description field is optional, and we're not going to use that for now, but we will do in a later lesson. Now that we've created the category, click Save and Close. Here we can see the category About has been created. Let's go ahead and create some more. So click New, and this time we'll create a category called Products. Instead of clicking Save and Close, because I want to create some more categories, I can save some time by just clicking on Save and New. The Products category has been saved, and we can now go ahead and create some more categories. The next category I'm going to create is one called News. And again, click Save and New. The final category is Events. But this time, I'm going to make this one a subcategory of the last one we created, News. If we go over to the right hand side, we can see a drop down called Parents. And here I can select the previous categories as the parent for this one, and I want to select News. Now that's done, click Save and Close. And here we can see the categories we created: About, Product, News, and the subcategory of News called Events. Now those categories are created, we can return to our dashboard by clicking on the Joomla logo.